Upon receiving the equipment, you should open the box and inspect it immediately. Check for any damage or deformation on the exterior. Check for any damage or deformation on the exterior. If any deformation occurs, please contact our company immediately to discuss follow-up matters. Check if any parts are missing. Each channel comes with a wiring pack and a synchronization cable. Use the gate key from the accessory kit. Open the top cover of the gate in sequence. Use a Phillips screwdriver to open the electronic control cover. You can open the lid by pushing it up with your hand. Open the other turnstile control covers in sequence. Open the other turnstile control covers in sequence. A one with circuit breaker is the main unit. Connect to board A2 without a circuit breaker. A 2 motherboard with circuit breaker. Connect to an A3 board without a circuit breaker. Each circuit breaker needs to be connected to a 220 volts power supply. After going live, wait for the system to perform a self-check. The system indicates that startup is complete. Test by pressing the red door opening button on the gate's main board. Once the door opens and closes normally, it can be secured. Position the swing gate with markers. Drill holes at the marked position, and use expansion bolts mount the swing turnstile on the ground.